Guys, of the game.
No, I did.
Today, I'm going to be joined by Connor, and we've opened one pack each.
Two. I've opened two.
I've opened one. So let's show them our special cards. So my two special
I'm
cards
not
are this
showing
so far.
I'm not showing them. I'll make the team and then I'll show them.
Yeah, so our next packet.
I got my third pack.
Yo, this is pack. Got a keeper, got a keeper, got a keeper.
Bro, I got a girl. Why did I get a girl?
Where'd you get a girl? Where's a girl?
There.
I had a girl. I ain't a girl.
Looks like. I've opened all my packs.
Does that look like a girl to you guys?
I'm scared he just watches the video now. If you watch, man, shout out to you.
Next pack.
These are my packs. There you go. Alright, I've finished.
Have you finished already?
Yeah.
Wait, 4 packs? No, it's 1 pack left.
Oh. It's messy.
Can't even. If like we get like any really good cards,
I also don't.
then huh? We're like really.
Yo! Neuer!
I got Neuer, boys.
Snodgrass.
Neuer as well. Ooh, I got golden vision.
Joshua King.
I got rubbish cards.
Oh, Zaka. I'm gonna try and make a team. Oh yeah, if you didn't know, Cardiff City all day. And
Yeah.
Liverpool.
And Pikachu.
And Pikachu.
Ooh! Yeah! I got Gareth Bale, dude, guys. Yes, please.
Where's my bet?
And I'm gonna make my team now.
I'm just gonna put Courtois in goals.
I'm definitely putting Neuer in.
Yeah.
Neuer's in goals for me.
I think Benucci definitely solid back. Need that coat to me.
So Neuer's there. I need backs now.
Any centre
Can't
backs.
even.
Oh, I didn't know I had Andy King.
Ooh, where does it say if it's centre back? Like
They
back?
don't.
Do you know?
They don't say.
I'm just gonna pretend they're like backs. I know this guy's a keeper, so I'm putting him on my bench.
Why are you putting him on your bench?
He's a keeper.
So?
Gareth Bale's going up top.
I didn't know.
Gareth Bale's going up top.
Oh, do I play? Oh, I know.
What position does he play?
Cam.
CDM.
Yeah.
I'll put him there then.
I'm gonna play.
I'll put him centre mid.
I literally don't know any of these guys' positions.
I'm just gonna put. Like, I'm sorry, guys. Like,
I'm gonna put Mertens at the back because I'm.
Look on my back.
No, actually, Snodgrass. And then I'm gonna put. Oh no, this guy's a striker. I'm gonna put these two in the middle.
Ooh.
I think anyway.
Oh yeah, they.
My God. No.
I got. Oh god. Wait, should I just put my keeper in like a position instead of like keeper?
I got 2 strikers now.
I'm just gonna put him.
No, actually, I'm gonna
Put him there. And put him there. You see? He's gonna go there.
Where's Lafferty? Lafferty up
Actually,
top.
no. Yeah, he's coming there.
And I need one more striker. Joshua King. Oh, that's my team. Cam.
1 minute.
Oh, actually. Oh, I did not. Oh, I forgot I had him.
Oh, such a flipping man.
Look at that 2 centre backs, Cam.
I'll see that 1 minute.
Cam, look at them 2 centre backs.
Oh shoot. Okay. We'll just
I need
use
to
him.
collect all these cards up now. Oh, right there.
So guys, this is my team. Got Gareth Bale, friends, special cards, and all that stuff. We got that stuff. We got this just says. Okay, we'll be back in a minute. We just need to show Connor's, which will be back in a minute to do. Okay, so this Connor's.
I didn't know I had him as well.
Okay, this Connor's over
Wait
there.
there, I'm not done yet.
I'm just gonna show. There's Connor's. Okay, now for our next packs of stuff. We're gonna move on to Connor's spam. Connor's spam.
Yeah, I kind of spent like 10.
So,
Mum, if you're not watching, I spent 10 quid.
Let me just sort out the packs a minute.
No, I have more packs because in my pack.
Okay.
So how many packs is that?
I don't know.
So Cam.
2, 3, 4, 6,
So
7, 8. I got 8.
what I need to have 8 because I should have more packs.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Give it there. 1,
You got 9.
what?
Okay, let's go.
So I want some big names now.
I want some good players.
I've got some sick players for you.
I don't even know how to open these. Let's open it from like there. No? Yo!
Well, that's terrible. Can be something else in the pack?
Ooh!
It's going Varane.
Ooh, nice! Nice. So I got rid of some bad cards.
I think they're shouting. I think they're going on purpose.
I know. Okay.
Jimmy Fallon. Get it? Fallon. Busquets.
Yeah, I got big name.
Who?
Big name.
Oh my.
Yeah, if you know that guy, just comment down below. Wayne Rooney!
Oh, come on. I don't like him. Tongan. Alderweireld. Oh, Joe Ledley.
Yeah, who's better though? Gareth Bale or Joe Ledley?
Joe Ledley.
Gareth Bale.
He has his own song.
Ain't nobody
Hey,
like Joe Ledley.
like Joe Ledley. Oh!
Shoot.
Back. Oh! Oh! Joe
I
Allen.
look how Japanese you are.
He's not even Japanese as well.
He looks it. So,
Oh, Lukaku! Thank you. Oh, 22 is actually pretty good, I think. Oh my god, I got Irish cards.
you got an Irish Cats fan. This kit looks disgusting, doesn't it?
It's the Swedish
Looks
card.
disgusting. No, it ain't.
Takwa again!
Oh my god.
My keeping, literally. Oh, I've got, how many packs do you have left?
Oh, that cost. That's right. That's right. I think I got like loads of packs out. Oh, nice. Why do you have all the good cards, literally?
If I have a Messi, literally. You have Marcelo.
I thought I said Neymar then.
You have Marcelo.
Ooh, Benteke. Marcelo?
Let's take that pack.
Nah, you gotta be honest though.
Huh?
That was really hard to pull. That Neuer.
Huh?
That Neuer though.
Oh my god, I got no good cards. Oh, company.
You say you got no good cards and you just get out of company.
Are we gonna?
Is that your last card?
Can I open the pack, please?
No.
Please.
Okay.
I don't really want to make a team with my cards.
No, because my card's gonna be rubbish.
I just want to stick them all in.
Ooh, Ozil!
What's
nice. Let's back it. If I get Ronaldo,
Yeah,
imagine if I get Ronaldo and Messi.
that's good because it's going in my book. Vela.
Last card opening.
Oh, you can't get Messi. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, let's stick these in my book. Alright, guys, it's been a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.
Not yeah.
Later.
No, later.
We'll see you later.
See you later. Bye.